Are you thinking about moving to Celina, Texas, or buying a new construction home in Celina, Texas? Well, let me show you Mosaic. You guys, this is a $1.45 billion master planned community. It's set to span over 760 acres and feature over 2,800 home sites. The developer, the Telus Group, is the same one that did the incredible Windsong Ranch community, which is one of the most sought after communities in all of North Dallas. They are going to have so many amenities and open spaces here. I can't wait to show you. So we are in the beginning stages of development right now. So right now is such a perfect, opportune time to secure your lot and build your dream home. So today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about living in Mosaic, Celina, Texas. I'm Cami Hall, your Celina, Texas realtor brokered by TCRE, and in this channel I show you what it's like to live in the best North Dallas suburbs like Prosper and Celina. So today I'm going to show you what it's like living in Mosaic, including location, schools, amenities, and then I'll take you on a tour through the new Highland Homes model right here on site. If you are thinking about buying a home in Celina, Texas, this video is for you. So let's go. So Mosaic is located immediately north of Windsong Ranch in Denton County. It's right off Frontier Park, located 15 minutes from downtown Celina and only 1 mile from the North Dallas Tollway, which makes it so convenient and easy to access the rest of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So in Mosaic, you're 10 minutes from the PGA headquarters and also the future $2 billion Fields West mixed-use development that is coming soon. You're 15 minutes from the upscale dining in Legacy West, the Star, the Granite Park. You're 39 miles from downtown Dallas. So let's talk about amenities. Mosaic is going to have a beautiful central amenity center featuring a lazy river and pool complex. They'll have a large lake with fishing piers and numerous outdoor social gathering areas, basketball courts, dog parks, a fishing pier, playgrounds, state-of-the-art fitness center, and the amenity center is centrally located within the community, so it should be very easy to access, and they're going to have walking and biking trails heading in all directions. And over 100 acres of the community will be preserved for open spaces and parks, which will help and be connected by the bike trails and whatnot. So they'll also have unique gathering areas. So if you like to sit outside by a campfire or drink wine with friends or play yard games or whatnot, then there will be tons of terrific spaces for you there. The amenity center will actually be finished winter of 2024, and a second amenity center is already planned and will be built in the future as well. Okay, let's talk about schools. Mosaic is zoned to the very sought after Prosper Independent School District. Prosper ISD has an A+ rating on niche.com, and it's ranked the 18th best school district in the entire state of Texas. Prosper ISD owns a site within the Mosaic community where they plan to build a new elementary school, so super convenient for your kids to walk to school, and that should be finished by August of 2025. And Prosper ISD also owns sites for a future high school and middle school that's adjacent to the community. Until these new schools come online, the families of Mosaic will attend the Hull Elementary School, Rushing Middle School, and Prosper High School, all of which have excellent ratings. Okay, let's talk about the homes. Mosaic will feature quality builders like American Legend, Bloomfield, Cadence Homes, which will offer townhomes in the area, Highland Homes, and Perry Homes, and Tradition Homes. And homes in this neighborhood are ranging from the high 500s to 1 million plus. They will have 40, 50, 60, and 70-foot lots. Today, we are going to be touring the Highland Homes model right here in the Mosaic neighborhood. So let's go. This is Highland Homes' award-winning 569 floor plan starting in the mid 800s. It has 4 to 6 bedrooms, 4 to 6 bathrooms. It's a 2-story, and the base square footage is 3,400 square feet. For more information about the homes in Mosaic, Celina, Texas, feel free to contact me at the number below. Enjoy the tour. If you're interested in learning more about the various new construction communities in Celina, Texas, then click above. I will link my new construction playlist for you. My name is Cami Hall. I am proud to be your North Dallas, Texas realtor. If you are considering moving out to the area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I can't wait to hear from you. My contact information will be in the description below.